copies in their notebooks, and then the student will ask, our teacher will ask the student to share their points, and then finally we have planned a very interactive activity related to cation and anion, like we will assign a student like that is metal, and it will be like, look at this. This will be the dot and cross diagram. They will highlight this concept with the activity like one student will be sodium, and surrounding the sodium that will be the student, number of the student, 2 students surrounding in the first shell. In the second shell 8 students, in the last shell 1 student. Same goes for the next student, that will be the chlorine. और उस क्लोरीन का भी इसी तरह से डॉट एंड क्रॉस डायग्राम बनाया जाएगा. Then what will happen, one student will go to the chlorine और वो कंप्लीट ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा एक एक्टिविटी के बेसिस पे. स्टूडेंट को हमेशा याद है. तो by this activity the dot and cross diagram will be cleared, and the concept will be also clear. Finally, the assessment and evaluation. Teacher will just give you the flashcards, and then the key points they will they have to share the key points with the students, like for example formation of cation, what is the formation of cation, what is the formation of anion, and formation of ionic bond along with dot and cross diagram, right? And finally they will also recognize the compounds having ionic bond. These are the assessment